Hi, in this video I show you how to assemble the Employee of the Month face shield. I have a piece of Vivac material for the shield. I have a pre-assembled unit to show you what goes where. I've already printed and cleaned my parts. I have a screwdriver, scissors, hole puncher. Yeah, and actually that's all we need. So let's get started. We start with the stuff in the back for the size adjustment. Consider this part, this thing, these two. We have this one. This one, and this one, and this one, and finally the knob. Okay, let's do it. So these are the bushings. The small one, they're different in size. The small one is for the output shaft, for the gear, and you should make a test fit if it fits. If it's too small, it may fit, but when you turn it, it may lock, so you should definitely check this. This one has plenty of space, so it's no problem. And we test fit this one as well. Very nice. It turns. We also need this pass here, which will go over these 4 pins, and it is to be aligned like this. So here long edge horizontal, here cutout horizontal, and then when you turn it, it will pull itself together and allow the brake to become loose, so you can turn it. So let's take this part, it's the small one, and put in the ratchet, and I want to be to allow to turn right, but I don't want it to turn left, so I put it in like this, and then I put in my braking disc like this, and now I put in the other part on top like so, and I prepare my sleeves like so, but I don't put them on fully, just like this. And now I put the output shaft is for these 2 holes, like so. And the last part is this, like so. And then I push them together, and that's all. Now I try. This should turn very easy in both directions, no problems. And this should turn pretty hard, or not at all. So next we put the racket pieces in our shell. This is the back side of the head, and it should be like this. In each piece there's a small Stonehenge, which should point to the outside, away from the head, still going around the head like this. And we put it in like so. The right piece with the racket on the bottom, and the left piece with the racket on the top. And then we align them. I do it by just pushing them in like so. Now they're aligned. Okay, this is the same as this. And now we can put in our gearbox. I take this screwdriver to get the gear around like so. And this has to be vertically, so it will keep the these two pieces in place. Now the teeth are not yet engaged. You can see here it should look like this on both sides, but it doesn't. So I know this one isn't yet fully engaged. So I can wiggle it a little bit. 1, 2, like so. Yeah, that's all. Now it's good. It should look like this, or the other side like this. We can test it. Oops. Move easily, but you cannot pull it, or it's very hard to pull it here. Okay. Next, the face shield. And we have two of these joinery blocks. They have a small recess, which should be on the outside, pointing away from the head, and on the bottom side, like this. You see? Like so. Oops. And so. And for the final assembly, you should use a little bit of glue, so it will not come out anymore. Like so. And now we have these pieces which go around the ears, or they shouldn't touch the ears, but just avoid them. And they have this diagonal piece which should point to the inside. The idea is to make a smooth transition from the joinery block to this part, so it should be on the inside, not on the outside. So it's more comfortable. And this goes like so, and then the over the ear part like so. So this one gets here like so. You can just snap it on, and it's very difficult to get it back out, so please make sure you have the right orientation. It's very easy to get on, but very hard to get it out again. And this one goes like so, like here. And now go inside here. 1, 2. Also, this should also be glued, because it may come out. And now we have the over the head part, which consists of these two strips, and two of those. One is open and one is closed. We put the closed one over here. You can squish it together a little bit to make it more easy to get over it, like so. And then we can put the other thing on top, like so, like so, and we can close it. And now it's locked in place, nothing will happen. But to avoid this from standing up, we have this fourth piece, and we can open it. And here is a small butt, which will come here from the bottom to keep it in place, like so. And we close it. Yeah, PETG is great. And now it's done. These noses should point away from the head to make it more comfortable to wear. And now we can put this here into the joinery blocks, like so. And that's it. And now we have the shield. It has to be 40 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters high. I already marked where I want to cut it with an old CD I used as a template and both sides, make it a little bit more nice. And I also marked the center at 20 centimeters with a ruler. And now I can cut it out. Oh, before you cut it out, you should use the hole puncher, because if you fail with the hole puncher, you can still use the other side, but once it's cut out, it's you cannot do it anymore. So let's do this. I have my hole puncher, and the first punch I will do without the guide. So I take this out, and I put it in the middle on my, I hope you can see it, on the mark, like here. You should try to be as precise as possible here, and exactly in the center, like so. And now punch. Okay, and now I use my ruler. And I put it to position 888, which is here. We have the A4, the US, and here we have, hello, camera, give some focus. Look. We have 888. See it? I hope you see it. Okay. And we put it in the corner like this, and we punch it. And now I turn it around. Oops, you didn't see it. I turn it around like this, and I punch the other side like so. And that's it. All holes are done. Now I can cut it out. Let's go. Okay. To make it more visible, I will now not remove the protective layer, but you should definitely remove it, because once it's on, it's very hard to remove it. These are the pins. The locking ring you can push together to open it up, like so. And all you have to do is you put in the pin, oops, from the back, like so. And then you put the shield, and then you put the locking ring, and that's all. Like so. Now I will do the same on the other side. This has to go back here. Now I do the same thing on the other side. And the pin. Like so. Let's lock it. Okay, that's it. Now you have all you have to do is do the last two pieces. They're optional. You don't have to do them to use them, but if you don't use them, you have the holes here, which is also not very good. Yeah. You can adjust the size, and that's it.